My theme for this semester will be the importance of animals in our world. As a future agriculture educator, my goal is to inform people about our amazing industry, and what better way than to start with animals? When people look at cows, sheep, pigs, or any other form of livestock, they normally only think how cute they are. But animals are so much more than an adorable fuzzy face. Throughout the semester, my goal will be to show everyday people how important animals truly are. First, let's talk about products, starting with cattle. Cattle not only provide us with meat and milk, but leather for belts, shoes, and footballs. Also, cattle byproducts can be found in thousands of other products, including marshmallows, gummy bears, lipsticks, and tires. The wool of sheep can be found in clothing, yarns, cushions, and so much more. Also, horses are not only used for transportation, but their hair is used for strings on violins. Next, services. Having any animal, but livestock especially, can lead to a close bond and companionship. Through years of care, you grow close with your cow or pig like you would your own dog. Animals become your best friend, all while teaching you compassion, hard work, and responsibility. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to dive deeper into this topic as this semester moves on.